Chase and I have been trying to spend as much time as we can with the ducks, and so this morning when I was just getting some work done, just generally hanging out before I needed to go to work, I was hanging out with the ducks. And I think this little lady was feeling lonely. She's like, Mom, but you always hang out with me in the morning on the couch. I really don't think she likes the ducks very much. She just looks so sad.
Have you guys been locked in all day? Oh my goodness. Yeah, looks like our door got stuck. Oh my goodness. Well, come out and enjoy the snow. Oh, they're not so sure about it. Oh, I'm getting snowed on. There we go. Enjoying our nice spring weather. Ladies, come get some snacks. Oh, yummy.
I'm gonna walk you guys through how I meal prep, and I think I have made it as efficient as possible because I'm not really one that likes to meal prep or cook all that much. I do get a little bit of enjoyment out of cooking, but regardless. Basically, here's what you do. First, you find a recipe that you like, and then you go on Canva. You find a template that you like for your recipes. This one is very intense. Anytime I feel like trying a new recipe, I go onto Pinterest and I find the recipe, and then I just copy and paste it into Canva however I like. Test out the recipe, see if I like it, and then if I like it, best way to go about meal prepping is to go onto Walmart, or I don't know if other grocery stores also have this option, but you can create lists of all of the things that you need for specific recipes. On my Walmart account, I have a veggie masala list specifically, and then the way that it works is you make the list, tells you how much the list costs in total, and I put every single ingredient on that list. Anytime I want to make it, all I have to do is click add to cart. So I use this little QR code down here, and it pops up the list. I add everything to cart. I can quickly go through and think, oh yeah, I already have that, so I don't need to add it. It makes it so nice. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna make some veggie masala. Something else that I also do, all of the ingredients that I need for whatever the thing is, I put it into containers in my refrigerator, so that way when I'm ready to actually cook it, it's all right there and I don't have to go looking for things.
Here come the ladies. Hi. Who's the hardest workers?
Who's the hardest workers?
Looks like it.
The duckies are about to have their first bath time. What do you think?
The way they were just holding out their wings like a toddler was wearing their little floaties.
Tasty.
And drink the water, bud pulls them in.
Dad, come look at the ducks.
What do you think?
They're standing at it, figuring it out, huh?
Here you go.
Yeah, there you go.
They're wait.
Wait, this is fun.
Wait a minute, that's fun. Let's do that again.
Wait, we're ducks.
Yeah, our
Put
other ducks
a
would,
good more in down there.
It beat it up.
always forget that they were ducks.
Yeah. You guys are way more waterproof.
Drop it in and see if I'm going to die for it.
Oh, there you go.
We're such good duck parents. Like when you say happy.
Yeah. Why'd you do that? You made it a projectile too.
I do that every time.
Our itinerary today will include a walk / mild hike. When we get back from that, we'll do a quick grocery pickup, and then it will be time to go do some puppy yoga, which is exactly what it sounds like. We'll get to go do some yoga, and there are going to be little golden retriever puppies all over the place. I'm so excited. Let's get the day started.
Doubling up on the torture for
Yeah.
oh, suck, kitty. Calm.
She's going so crazy now.
I'm going to stand on this side of you. I'm like those people in Yellowstone that
Get too close to the bison.
yeah, get too close to the animals and then get attacked because of it.
I'm a lot bigger than a goose.
It's a little bit slickery, as my dad would say. You're blending in so well with the background. Yes, and some ribs. She's all buckled in.
That's pretty ridiculous.
But they're also very pretty. How come we have a problem? We just like to look at little baby animals. Oh, these ones are little.
Those ones are the cutest, like how they are right now.
Out of all the animal ones. You can just tell that that's cedar by looking at it.
Cedar's pretty distinctive.
I want that. I want that hanging in our living room. I think they're very pretty. Of course you found a bench to sit on. Wait, you're saying I can't have any of this? It's so cute. I want a fairy garden. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Oh no, this is for you, Chase. Come here, cowboy.
I'm double patting it.
Oh, that's what it is. It's a planter. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah. But we're definitely gonna come back here.
Oh, there we go. Except you just dropped it on the ground. They're like, Dad, will you give me some more? Except you're not their dad, huh? You're their mommy.
Be nice. Yeah, that was definitely
Aggressive.
something she does to the cat.
You are basically gonna be their mom. Yeah, she's curious. She just wants to say hi.
Stop taking. Be nice.
Oh, there we go, there we go. Zoomies! That was pretty cute. Hey, where are we going?
Happy yoga!
Where are we going?
When do we want it?
What are you doing, Megan?
Well, I should have buckled myself first because that's what they tell you to do on the planes is to serve yourself first. And then your child later because children aren't a child.
You look so pretty.
Perfect.
No, you.
You look so pretty. We have. I need to turn the car on. Let's do that.
That might be good if I want to go into drive.
Just so you know, we have precious cargo in the back. The water bottle is
my water
jacket.
Oh, okay.
It's just, it will fall
I'm gonna
over and
drive.
get us all soggy.
I'm gonna drive really bad.
We should just listen to covers of songs with dog barks instead of
You know, if I...
I'm sure that exists.
I'm sure it does. That's why.
Okay. We don't know where we're going.
It comes together for stay here for just a moment, acknowledging the nice stretch through your front body from your chin all the way to your hips. Alright, let's lift the right knee, making some firefighter circles. Yes, this is called firefighter, I'm not making this up. Oh, let's take it again, there's the right all that. So warming up, making up these names.
What do you guys think? Puppies. Loves you. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Come back.
No, I must go to lick the cleaner.
Oh, that's a cutie patootie right there.
Such a hard life.
He will not be contained.
Oh, kisses.
Through center, inhale your body, give yourself a big hug.
They're just like real children where they'd rather play with cardboard boxes. Hi, sweet. Hi.
There's only 3.
We're so original, guys. Happy late birthday. I think that's supposed to be your birth flower.
Yeah, violet.
Flower.
Oh my goodness. That's so pretty.
So Perrin got me some presents. Got the little duck buddy. Wait, what?
Sorry.
Perrin,
You have Chase right
you said.
when you have Chase.
And a strawberry and a hat. And the void is watching over them in her gargoyle-like stance.
Is she watching over them, or is she planning how she can eat them?
She's not.
What do you think, Hawkins? What do you think?
She's not a killer. Huh? Huh? You're a pushover.
Yeah, the big ducks chase her around. Do you get bullied? Are you guys gonna bully the void? Hey, little guys. Want some candy? You're so lazy. So they can be bribed. Hey Chase, do you think they like you? We've got some ducks in prison over here.
That was interesting for sure.
I'm still doing it.
Find oats? No, stop eating the leaves and eat the oats. That's not even leaves, that's bark.